Welcome to Workshop A. So the theme of this workshop is Quality Management in English Language Centres. So this workshop's designed for leaders, for academic managers, administrators and decision makers who work or are involved in English language centres in Vietnam. This workshop builds on 7 pre-workshop presentations that are being released in the weeks leading up to the live workshop and the panel, and we'll also be featuring keynote presenters on the day from RMIT University in Vietnam, and also ASAT IDP English Centre for Education and Training, also in Vietnam. These keynote presenters will be presenting on their personal experiences with quality assurance in online delivery of English language teaching, and also their experiences with embedding quality assurance into the curriculum to improve student outcomes. Presentations will be followed by a live virtual panel, and we encourage you to join the live panel on the 1st of October. On the panel will be the keynote speakers. I will be facilitating the panel, and we will have guest speakers from the Australian Embassy and the National Foreign Languages Program of Vietnam, and also the Ministry of Education and Training in Vietnam. So enjoy the presentations. We'll be releasing new presentations every week leading up to the live panel and the workshop, and we hope to see you at the live workshop and panel on the 1st of October. Enjoy. Thank you.